Hello and selamat datang. I am your super informative guide for today. Welcome to UMW Aerospace Plant in Serunda, Selangor. I'll be taking you through our fan case manufacturing plant and showing you the advanced production process that goes into building a fan case. Right this way. Do you see that slab of metal over there? That's the raw material for the front case. We are transporting it to its manufacturing cell. Take a look around. You're looking at all the raw materials used to produce the fan case. Not sure what a fan case is exactly? The fan case ensures that an aircraft's fan is contained in the rare event that a blade is separated. A fan case is made up of 4 main parts: a front case, an outer guide vane, a mount ring, and a rear case. Let's head to Cell A. If you recall, we transported the raw material for the front case to Cell A. Here, 1,200 kilograms of high-forged titanium undergoes 3 machining steps and 2 measurement steps. Behind you is Cell A's governance center. This is where we track all of our processes. The turning process machines the front case into shape. Once it's completed, we send it over for milling. Milling is the last machining step before we measure the front case and release it for a series of inspections. Ready to move on to Cell B? This is where we manufacture the inner ring. This is what the inner ring looks like before and after machining. Similar to the front case, the inner ring goes through multiple turning and measuring processes, milling, and then a series of inspections. Let's have a closer look. We are now preparing the inner ring to undergo milling. It will then be measured before it's ready to be transformed into an outer guide vane. To ensure that the inner ring's characteristics are consistent, we measure the inner ring under strict temperature control with a high accuracy device. In Cell C, we tack weld the inner ring with 44 vanes. Once this is complete, we manually weld the base along the profile. This critical process is performed by our highly skilled welders. Looking good, Andrew. The X-ray machine scans the outer guide vane for impurities or defects sustained during the welding process. Our non-destructive testing engineers then interpret these results. Looks like it's good to go. Next, we transport the outer guide vane into the dressing booth. Here, we manually dress the uneven welded areas to smoothen the surfaces. As a final touch to the outer guide vane, we pump the hollow vane with a special grade filler and leave it to set and harden before transporting it to Cell D. When the front case and the outer guide vane assembly are finished, they are sent for a round of inspection. The fluorescent penetrant inspection method, or FPI, checks for micro cracks. Before the 4 components are assembled, the front case, rear case, and mount ring are bonded with a series of panels. The mount ring and the rear case come pre-assembled and are transported directly to Cell D for minor fitting. We manually piece the 4 components together to form the fan case. The fan cases will be delivered to Rolls-Royce's engine test facility in Seletar Aerospace Park in Singapore, where they will be assembled to the engine. At UMW, the sky's the limit. We have expansion plans for up to 350 fan cases a year. For now, I have a flight to catch. Thanks for being such a spectacular audience. See you soon.